Although trading is closed on February 11th, 2020, go over our calls. Look for the pattern, the early high, this is it. Said it tended to have a decline, and absent a big rally early, it tended to be a negative day, but we got the big rally early. We also said that after rallying all day, the normal course of events would be for the rally to continue. If it didn't, it was trouble, but it did. So here's what we said: rally, normal turn of events. Tomorrow has the early high. We do have a new target, 3369.21. We don't gap down smartly. That's my call for tomorrow. Just remember, the wave count says there should be a high in here someplace. Doesn't have to be today. And MEJT will almost always leave a failed target that changes in trend. I'm not convinced we've seen it yet, but it can be explained if it happens. And here it said this drop isn't the real thing, and there's the target. Well, this high is a FEB target of the prior consolidation. There's a pretty clear ABC with good fibs if we top from here. So if this is the high, you can explain it. But again, I don't think it's the only possible count. We're going to use the rules for mixed signals. Let's go over them. Pattern has the early high, doesn't mean you won't gap down. It's positive you have a higher MEJT target. It's negative, we gapped up, higher high, close under the highs and the intervening low, which is a particularly negative formation, but it needs follow through. If we gap up tomorrow, that doesn't count. You have to follow through by at least 1 cent. So the most common for tomorrow is a gap and a prompt move outside the range. Next most common close, little change, big move next day, which would be Thursday. Occasionally, none of those things happen. If the count's right, there should be an end to this wave someplace, one more wave down, and then the rally continues. If we gap down, it becomes more plausible that this is it. But I'm not totally convinced at this time. It's not out of the realm of possibility that we gap over this FEB ratios or not. We'll just have to see how we open tomorrow. The call I'm going to make is if we don't gap down smartly, here's my target. If we do, this high is at least a chance of holding if we get enough follow through, and that's today's call.